It's Jasperactive word time. We've finished modifying cells. I don't know why that doesn't show it. Let me refresh and try again. We should be converting tabular information today. So let's click it, and here we go. All right, convert text to a table. So on the income statement document, select all the text for this report from ABC Insurance Services to the net income 12,884.75. Notice there's no little tail dangling down here because I didn't select everything. There's something right here. I just went to the end of the number like they told me to on the directions. Then it says click on the Insert tab, and in the table group, you're going to select Table, Convert Text to Table. This is a testable skill. And we need to say, well, the number of columns field, we want it to be 3. Notice that makes the number of rows 7 automatically. However, we need 19 rows. So what we need to do is we need to change where it separates at. Currently it separates at paragraphs. Let's click separate at tabs. And notice as soon as we do that, the 3 rows changed to 19. Okay, now it is a table. So select the first row in the table, ABC Insurance Services, and depending on how the original document looks, uh, you may want to make some changes to this new table. So let's start by going to Table Design. I don't know why they said select the top row. Number. I thought they were going to have us merge it. Text ABC is now on the first row of the table. Okay, that's fine. Table design. So table design right here, and where it says border styles, you're going to say no. Whoa, over here, borders. You're going to say no border. Up, and it only did it on the top row. So I'm going to Control Z undo. I'm going to select the whole table and then say borders no border. Now it looks like that when nothing's selected. Much more organized. If you want to see where things are, click on the table, and with the table selected, under Table Tools Layout tab, you're going to select View Grid Lines. And those won't print, but it shows you where the borders are for each of the cells. Select the ABC Insurance row. Now we're going to merge them together. Then you're going to repeat that for income statement. So select the second row, merge the cells. And then it says merge these two together. So the top 2 rows now, merge them again and center them like that. All right, so here we go. Scroll down, it says as an example of how you could format the tabbed report after it's been converted to a table. Well, that does look nicer if you click off of it or if you turn off the grid lines. Um, Layout tab, turn off the grid lines. That looks nice and neat. So let's move on. Now it says under Table Tools Property, click the Layout tab and click Properties. So Layout tab, and go to Properties. In Properties, you're going to say Click the Table tab, and you're going to select Alignment Center, Preferred Width. Check that box. As soon as you check the box, now you can enter 5.0 inches. For text wrapping, make sure it says None, and then click in the alt text. In the alt text, you're going to select or type in the title, Income Statement. And in the description box, type ABC Insurance Report. Notice I capitalized just like they did over here. And click OK. Go to the Table Tools Layout tab and clear the View Grid Lines. And yours should look like that. We'll move on to the next step. It says Convert Table to a Text. So we're going to open up TA Status Report Update January. I don't like the way that's opening. So I'm actually going to go to File, Open, this PC, Jasperactive, Resource Files, and there it is. I like the way that opens up in the proper Jasperactive size window. That makes me feel like I'm going to get it right. So this looks like it's a giant table also. So what we're going to do is click somewhere in it. If you want to scroll through the document to see what the rest looks like, that's it. And what you're going to select is at the top of the Talano Adventures status update, you're going to click the table selector. It's right up here. You can barely see it on my screen. When you click that table selector, it selects the whole table. So with the whole table selected, click the Table Layout tab, Table Tools Layout tab, and you're going to select right here in the far right group, the data group, Convert to Text. You're going to say, let's change it at tabs and say OK. Now scroll through and notice that nice page of orderly notes that all fit on one page now takes up 2 pages and doesn't have the same good look to it. A lot of empty blank space. So what you're going to do is press Control Z to undo it. So Control Z, undo, so it goes back to a table. And let's submit it and get it. All right, 100%. That makes us happy. One more thing to do, sorting data. We'll get to it.